Hey guys, in the second lesson on number puzzles, we will try to show you some interesting ideas. Let's start. You will have some common logic between the numbers, and according to that, what is the missing place? And we will suggest you to pause the video for some time and then try to watch. Here 187 is 128978 and some coding is there. How can you write the number 587 according to that concept? So friends, here 187 is there and the same numbers are here 187. Can you see 402? 402. But one key observation says 2 will come after 1. 9 will come after 8. 8 will come after 7. So the next number is written to the next place, right? See here 5 after 4, 1 after 0, 3 after 2. 9 after 8, 4 after 3, 5 after 4. Friends, if you do the same thing for this, so first 5 should come, and what after 5? 6. Now second digit is 8, after 8, 9. Next 7 will come, after 7, 8 will come. So this is 5, 6, 8, 9, 7, 8. Let's go for second idea, second model. If 9 plus 2 plus 4 is this, 5 plus 4 plus 5 is this, and so on. Then how can you write the number 745 according to the logic in the numbers? These are some miscellaneous logics, guys. This kind of thought process can be built by practicing more questions. So can you see 9 into 2, 18. This is 9 into 2 is 18. Can I multiply first and last place? 9 4s are 36. And that if you observe keenly, everything relates same. 5 4s are 20 and 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 50 and 5 2s are 10. 8 6s are 48. 8 3s are 24. Let us note down the first 4 places. Then we will think of the remaining 2 places. So first what, guys? 7 4s are 28. Then first and last 7 5s are 35. What about the middle last 2 letters, last 2 places then? Can you see carefully the last 2 places? 52 is the number, right? What is 18 plus 36? When I add the first 2 numbers, we got the product, right? First 2 numbers product, first and last numbers product. So 18 plus 36 is 54. When I subtract this middle number 2, you'll get 52, right? Now similarly, first 2 numbers product, first and last product. If you take sum of those two, 20 plus 25 is 45. And what is the middle expression? 4. If you subtract 4, you got 41. 15 plus 10 is 25. What is the middle term? Middle number is 3, right? Minus 3 is 22, placed here. Now 48 plus 24 is 72. Middle number is 6. If you subtract 6, 66. Friends, if you do same thing for this, what is 28 plus 35? Is it 73? Sorry, 63, right? So 28 plus 35 is 63. If you subtract 4 from this, will you get 59? So this is 59. So this way you can easily work out. So you can pause the video for the next question as well, and you can think of this carefully. So is this correct, guys? 59. So 28 plus 35 is 63. If you subtract the middle term 4 from 63, you'll get 59. That's correct. Let's go for the next variety. Now there are 2 references, and you need to find out the 4th reference, missing term, right? And guys, here outer numbers are perfect squares, right? So this is 6 square, this is 8 square, this is 5 square, this is 7 square. If you take sum of the bases, what will happen? If I take the sum of bases, let me write the logic. If you take the sum of the bases, what will happen, guys? 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 8, 21, 21 plus 5, 26, matches, right? So here 3 square, this is 5 square, this is 4 square, this is 9 square. If you take sum of the bases, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 9, 21. Here 8 square is 64, 5 square is 25, 12 square is 144, and 6 square is 36, right? So guys, if you take the sum of the bases, what will happen? So 12 plus 8, 20, 25, 25 plus 6, 31. So 31 is the missing place. Easy, right? So different ideas put together will give a lot of scope to solve the questions very easily. So nothing to worry. Let's move on to the next variety, guys. Now we have given two references. According to these references, what is the missing place in this third box? Now you need to find out three missing numbers in the bottom row for the third figure. So the first instant idea what you can do, guys, when I take the sum of these two, 16 plus 13, that is 29, happy. 21 plus 17 is 38, happy. 30 plus 25, 55, happy. So we decoded the logic for the last term. What about the second relation to third relation? Guys, can you see carefully? 13 2s are 26 plus 1, 27. 16 2s are 32 plus 1, 30. 32 plus 1, 33. So diagonally, you are doing into 2 plus 1, right? So the diagonal logic is what, friends? Diagonally into 2 plus 1. Let us check whether it holds for all the numbers or not. So 17 2s are 34 plus 1, 35. 21 2s are 42 plus 1, 43. So 25 2s are 50 plus 1, 51. 30 2s are 60 plus 1, 61. So 25 2s are 50 plus 1, 51. 30 2s are 60 plus 1, 61, done. What about the missing middle term? For that purpose, let us try to understand one more observation. 16, 13 difference is 3, 3 square is 9. So middle numbers difference square is the third number, the missing term. So 21, 17 difference is 4, 4 square is 16. Friends, what is 30, 25 difference? 5, no? So 5 square is what, friends? 5 square is 25. So 51, 25, 61 are the three missing terms, right? Hope it is clear. Now let us go for one more question. Which one will replace the question mark? So this is one typical question that I can say. So you can try in different perspectives. I'll tell you the logic here. Let's see. Can you observe the first column? 12 by 3, 4 into 1872. What I am doing is, let us take this as row 1. This is row 2. This is row 3. And this is row 4. When we multiply the first two rows, R1 with R2, and divide with the third row, you'll get the number in row 4. So friends, what is 18 into 12? First two rows product with third row. So 3 goes 4 times, 18 4 is 72, and that is the number in the bottom right. So let us check whether it holds for the third column or not. So if it is what, guys? 32 into 16 by 4. So 4 goes 4 times, 32 times 4 is 128. It perfectly matches, right? So do the same thing here. Let's take the missing term is x. Then first two rows product divided by the third row. This is fourth row, 112. And we are very keen on this. So 14 goes 8 times in 112 and 8 goes 3 times in 24. So the missing term x is 3. So 3 means option B. So this is one set of idea that I can give you. I'll help you. Next, let's see one more idea. Which one will replace the question mark? Actually, in the first video, I told you the different ways of thinking of number puzzles. Squares and cubes is one such idea. Squares are now a little less numbers. Let us take cubes. So 2 cube is 8, 1 cube is 1, 3 cube is 27. So 27 plus 8, 35 plus 1, 36. So 4 cube 64, 2 cube 27, sum 91. If you do the same thing and take the sum, you'll get the number in the bottom. So 4 cube is 64, 2 cube 8, 1 cube 1. The sum is 73, right? So missing term is 73. So very clear, right? So in this way, we can learn number puzzles. So these are the different set of ideas you can think of. In the next video, we will try to show you few more interesting questions along with the diagrams. So in the ways of diagrams also, there is a lot of scope to frame number questions. So thank you so much for watching this video, and subscribe to our channel to get more such videos. Learn QA and LR is our channel name. Thank you so much, and keep learning, keep inspiring friends.